In the golden hours embrace a vision of serene grace. Empress Mu in silk attire, adorned with jade, her eyes inspire. Gold hairpins in her raven hair, intricate silk beyond compare. Captured in this micro frame, a portrait of eternal fame. Empress Mu in the golden light, radiant in the twilight. With dragons, phoenixes, she reigns in this realm where beauty remains. Twisted trees and hollow roots, in this forest, mystic pursuits. Saltwater lake, mountains high, snow-capped peaks touch the sky. Mermaid goddesses, fish and coral, cherry blossoms in a floral swirl. Enhanced lungs and vision clear.